Well, good morning, all you folks out there in Pavement Ends land. Hey, it's been a long dry spell, and well, I've been pretty busy with working and whatnot, so uh, that's kind of what the problem's been with not getting out and going camping as often as I like. But I'm on the road right now. I have my main mission. I'm down here in Northern California, and my main mission is I'm here to see an old dear friend of mine, best friend I've known for almost 40 years. So it's been too long since I've had a good visit. So that's the main mission of this. He's got limited time, and I've kind of got some limited time. But what the heck? I decided just to make a few days of it. So I figured I got a few days to escape. So why not throw in a little camping along with coming down here to see my friend. So last night's camp was just a kind of a wide spot next to the road. It's a state highway that's not too heavily traveled. Lacked a little bit of privacy, but it was fine. It was fine. It was a nice spot. So last night's campsite was kind of overlooking this bridge here. This is called the Pioneer Bridge, and the Shasta River is down below. We are above Shasta Lake. We're upstream of Shasta Lake. This highway here leads to Wairika. This bridge was built in 1931, and there's the specs on this thing. I looked up. From the bottom of the gorge to the top of the bridge is almost 300 feet, and the entire bridge is almost 800 feet long. I think it's something like 795 feet long, and that long span in the middle is 414 feet. I remember that little factoid. So when I was looking up a few specs on the bridge, I found kind of an interesting little tidbit that there was a stagecoach driver named Fred Tice, and he started driving stagecoach through these canyons when he was 21 years old. And he did that for years. And when he was an old man, he drove a team with his stagecoach across this bridge in 1931 at the dedication ceremony. So I just thought that was kind of cool that, he saw a lot of things change in his lifetime, I'm sure. But this is it. This is kind of kicking off a little trip. I'm really looking forward to spending some time with my old friend. But there'll be something to look forward to afterwards. I'm gonna, like I say, take a couple of days and travel north. We'll probably go through Oregon, hit the national forest there through Central Oregon. I might meet a couple of old fossil friends from my old working days. They like to do some of the back roads as well. So I may meet up with one or two of them, and we'll make a little convoy out of it. So that'll kind of make for a nice week, I'm hoping. All right, I think it's time to shut up and get on the road. So sorry this video is a little bit short, but I felt like I owed you guys a little bit of an update as to what's going on. And that hopefully we'll be getting some more videos out again soon. And I'll see you guys on the back roads.